Hi, Rana here from Technical SEO team for Lemon. Today we will learn how to submit the sitemap into the Google. For this purpose, we must have the Google Search Console account. If you don't have, go to the search.google.com and make account with your Google account. After this, verify your website. In another video, I will tell you how to verify the website on Search Console. Then go to this section, indexing. Here you will find the sitemap area. Then you have to submit the sitemap here. For example, it's my website and here's a sitemap. So I have a main sitemap and 3 more sub sitemaps. So that's why I will prefer to add both manually. So in my case, I am using this, for example, post minus sitemap.xml after domain. Okay, and click submit. After submission, you will see how many pages discovered by the sitemap, and see here one additional page. These are discovered. Let's check the post status. So in the 68 discovered pages. So for detailed post map sitemap indexing, go to the pages. See here which pages are indexed and which are not indexed. Okay, these are 404 pages, which means these are deleted. So best deals, Islamic prohibition. Let's check this one. And the page is deleted. Okay, the best practice is to redirect these pages, 404 pages. Otherwise, your ranking will be affected if your website has maximum not found or 404 error pages. So the best practice is to redirect these pages to 301. In another video, I will explain how to redirect the 404 pages. And you can also request for removal here. I'll explain this later. So here's the simple step to add the sitemap into the Google Search Console. Thank you.